What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you a different way to make money in meme coins that most people overlook. I'm not talking about trading or doing other bullshit. I'm talking about building meme coins, finding a narrative, launching it on Pump.Fun and making money like that. This method has been very profitable for me and I think it's way easier to make money getting meme coins than trading. This video is made for the people who are tired of losing money trading meme coins or doing other stuff in crypto and they want to switch into something that's completely different. Well, keep watching. Take a look at my Phantom wallet, over $8 million, all made from Pump.Fun meme coins. Now, it's all made from deving meme coins on chain, and I will show you guys exactly how it works. Now, by the way, guys, I want to be clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice, okay? So do not take anything as financial advice. Please do your own research on anything. But anyways, bro, let's get right into the video. Now, guys, I used to trade meme coins a lot back in the day, and I was making a lot of fucking money. But the ultimate reason to why I switched to deving meme coins is all because of the brand new Pump.Fun update that came out like around a year ago. Now basically that's called the creator revenue sharing. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are already familiar with this, but basically every single transaction that comes into your coin, well, as a dev you will be taking a cut from all those transactions. For example, okay, if I go on Pump.Fun and we look at a decently viral coin like this one right here, Justice for Renee. If we go look at how much the dev has made from this coin, okay, or in total, you guys can see that the dev made $99,000 and he launched approximately 2.1 thousand coins. Now that's absolutely insane because now as a dev you can make money from the creator fees and from the supply that you own from your wallet and from all your bundles. And I actually have a deving tool that makes this all fucking easy and I use it every single day. You guys will see in the video. But yeah, bro, it's actually insane and I've actually made a lot of money too from the creator fees. Right here, okay, I made 24k, here 14,000 and here $68,000. Now I had to launch around 1.5 thousand coins to make this amount, so you have to be really consistent on those narrative launches. But yeah, bro, it's actually insane and I feel like deving meme coins is untapped. That's why I am making this video, to share more awareness. Now making a meme coin on Pump.Fun, okay, is really easy. Anybody could do it, right? But the thing that's hard is finding a narrative. That's why I use speed.launch.io, bro. In my opinion, it's the best deving tool out there and a bunch of people are actually gatekeeping this website. I will show you guys why, but let me just log out to do a quick introduction. Now first of all, when you go to speedlaunch.io, you want to sign in with X or Discord. I go with X usually, okay, that's my opinion. Then just authorize the app, okay, they won't have access to anything, just to seeing your posts. Click on authorize app and then you are in the website. Now right here you have a Twitter tracker for completely free, okay? A bunch of random tweets are going to start popping up every single second and that's exactly how you are going to make some money. You are going to wait for a narrative, okay, deploy that coin, okay, put a good name, symbol and image, and then you will be able to farm their creator fees and farm that supply. Now the strategy with this website is to deploy a bunch of coins, but not just anything. You have to look for specific posts, and if you think that tweet could be turned into a good coin, well, just deploy it, right? And the more coins you deploy, the more chances you have for a coin to go viral. And for example, bro, I had to launch a lot of fucking coins, over 1,000. So the more consistent you are with the launches, the more results you will get, bro. It's proportional. Now obviously, bro, you can manually launch coins and you can vamp coins, okay? There's a bunch of different strategies, but we will focus purely on the Twitter tracker. Now first of all, bro, the most important thing is obviously setting up your wallet. So go on wallets and you could either create your own wallets like that for, you know, in the website, or you can import your Phantom wallet right here. It's up to you, bro. I personally just created my wallets in the website, okay? The first ever wallet will be the creator wallet. This will be your dev wallet that you can track on Pump.Fun and where you will be holding your soul, right? And the sniper wallets right after will all be the wallets made for the bundlers and made for the snipe feature, but that is up to you, bro. And if you want to send, for example, SOL to your second wallet from the creator wallet, well, all you would have to do is import the private key of your creator wallet into your Phantom, right here, and then you would just copy the wallet you want to send to, and then you would send, for example, like 0.5 SOL to this wallet, just like that. But anyways, I'm going to do a quick example for you guys, okay? I will be making a coin based out of something biome fits. Okay, right here there is a narrative, right? Hilton has officially cut ties with this Hampton in Minnesota. I'm just gonna try this coin real quick. Deploy. Okay, name. Cut ties. Symbol Minnesota. Then here you can choose and you can customize the logo, right, for your meme coin. And then after that, okay, you could either bundle your coin if you want to, bro. I would highly recommend to bundle your coin. That means multiple coins are going to buy your coin to make it look more appealing to apers and to other traders, right? You can snipe your own coin if you want to get good entries on your own coin. You can farm snipers, so basically it will launch your coin, and after a set period of time, it will dump it right after on all the snipers. And oh whoops, let me put that to 0. And you can multi-deploy, so if you want to launch multiple coins of this one, okay, all identical, well, that's up to you. There is some strategies where you can launch like 5 coins, and you know, if each coin gets one buy, or if one coin goes viral, well, you were fucking printing. I'm just going to do 1. And now here for the presets, right, of how much you are going to use to make your coin. The sweet spot is around 1 to 3 SOL. I would highly recommend to launch with 2, 1, 3 SOL around there, because if you do too much SOL, well, you will own too much supply and not many people are going to buy your coin. But if you do anything under 1 SOL, well, you won't make any profits, right, because you're not going to own enough supply. But if you are broke, bro, then just put 0.2, 0.01 if you really have to, bro. But if you have the SOL, then just use it, bro. You are going to get it back after. Okay, I'm going to launch it. 1 SOL, 3, 2, 1. Then boom, it's launched. Okay, you can go on Pump.Fun, or you can go on Axum, and it should be here. Bro, why is it loading, bro? It should be... Boom, I found it right here. Our coin is right here. Wait, here's a quick example, bro. Someone launched the Mops coin like fucking 20 times. Now that's a really good strategy. But yeah, now as you guys can see, okay, someone bought with 0.5 SOL. That's not bad. Okay, the same dude rebought with 0.03. Okay, this coin is not going anywhere. It has been around 1 minute. You see, it's a dead coin. But if you launch like 1,000 coins, bro, well, you have a high chance that a couple of them will go viral, and you only need 1 coin to go extremely viral, okay, to make a lot of money from the creator fees. Anyways, bro, when you are ready to make some money, bro, you can come back to the dev panel right here, and you can choose to clip profit as a dev. You can even rebuy your coin if you think that it could go higher, or you can also bundle your coin. You can buy your own coin with your bundled wallets, okay, to make it seem like you're not buying as a dev. If you do 100% right here, sold. If you come back to the chart right after, it should have sold to complete 0 right here. Yeah, bro, it's done. And if we look at how much we made, 2.9 SOL. Wait, if we refresh real quick, 3.9 SOL. I think we did make a profit. We made around 0.2 SOL in profit or some shit, bro. That's some quick DoorDash. But yeah, that's exactly how you do it, bro. Being a dev, bro, is really profitable, but you have to be launching a lot of coins. The more coins, the more volume, the more chances you have to make more profits, right? And if you want to network with other devs, right, well, I have my Discord server opened, okay? A bunch of people are eating from deving meme coins, okay? Boom, $14,000 PNL right here from me. This guy made 7 SOL, okay? A lot of people are printing from deving, and I'm trying to build the biggest deving Discord out here, bro. So please join, and obviously, bro, join my Telegram, and yeah, bro, peace.